Hey guys, welcome to Scully's Nature Stream. Today we're going to be showing you our new nature trail we just made like a month ago. The beginning of our trail, and we have another trail down there, kind of. That's another start to it. It's like the same one. And also look at this right here. They're mating, two bugs. I don't know what kind they are, but yeah, they're just two cool little bugs. So anyways, so we have our little, this is like kind of, we made this for bikes kind of, and for walking besides nature. So he actually made this little ramp right here, so pretty neat. And then here we have, here we have another little ramp, but it's kind of destroyed because it got wet, and it's not really for biking, it's for RC cars that we have, so that's pretty neat too. And up here, you would just kind of, we also need to get clippers and clip all these little weeds sticking out, or whatever they are. And up here, we go to this little corner right here, and you can see down there, that's the other beginning of
kind of just goes like from here along there, and then kind of wraps around.
Also, there's a little mouse hole right here. Little mouse hole. And I think I believe that there's other ones up here.
There's a fox den that we'll show you.
Oh yeah, fox den. That'd be cool.
We walk this like every single day.
Some little mushrooms. Good mushrooms.
And it's still not finished. We're still making more.
Yep. And so you can just walk up more up here. It actually goes to this cool little spot, and he also spray painted that thing right there. Like, see? We also have this red thing just to, you know, when we're making the trail, just to know where we're supposed to go. So yeah, but it's really cool right here. There's this little rocky area.
Yeah, so the yellow trail is going to be going down there, downhill trail. This is just the main blue trail. It's going up here. It is for mountain biking too, but mainly for Scully's Nature. Yeah, it's from Mario and Luigi. Seriously. Gives you extra speed.
Oh,
We got a grasshopper. Maybe not.
no,
Got him?
yeah.
Missed. Do you have him?
No.
Okay. See, watch this. I'll eat, not really, but I'll touch this mushroom, stomp on it, and don't eat them. And it'll give me super speed. Oh, that was fun.
That was
Wasn't that
you
fun?
were fast. That was like way behind.
Yeah.
But also have a cool thing right here. It's a little.
We didn't make
station
this.
two.
This used to be an abandoned gym.
Yeah, like a little. It used to be like a trail, I guess, and then people used to do like little. See, like these little pools right here.
Well,
Obviously, we can't. Put
I guess
this one here.
this one right here. So
Yeah.
stretch.
And it looks like this
Missed.
higher one. That pole used to maybe be higher or something, so you can
So
stretch out. I don't know. But yeah. And
Whoa.
it goes down.
blueberry.
And then we have to kind of pluck some of these things out of the way.
Y'all saw that. What? Yeah, switches into the red trail right here. Where you can't see.
Here's another one, station 3. I would say station 3 is the best, because 3 is like the best number.
Can't beat 3.
It's my favorite number, so I guess you just do.
Yeah, it's 3.
And then I guess there's station 4 down here.
Somewhere down here, yeah.
Yeah, right there. And this trail is actually really long. There's mushrooms everywhere. I don't know why.
Yeah, and then so the yellow trail is coming up from right over there, and it's gonna go downhill, downhill, downhill. And then with our bikes, you come around here, And this whole thing right here, ramp right here, you jump it, and you land right down there.
That'd be cool.
That's gonna be so much fun, isn't it?
Yeah, that'd be really fun. Look at this right here.
Uh-huh.
I think bats live up there maybe, sometimes. I heard bats live in hollow trees, so I have no idea.
Oh, can you guys see?
I don't think
Or
so.
up in there? I can't see anything.
I don't think so.
Yeah.
I don't know where they live.
They just live in hollow trees.
Something's been
Any
eating
tree
his
just
mushrooms.
caves.
Something's been eating his mushrooms. Maybe like bugs or like a deer.
Hmm.
I don't know if deer.
Well, we need to find out who's eating those mushrooms. Mushrooms.
Look at that right there. Also, you can see the trails right there too.
Yeah.
So it goes
It's a
pretty
fun
far.
little nature trail.
Yeah, so it's a new trail, so then we can find garter snakes like on the side. Hopefully, there's more. Like,
And other snakes too, like racers and
probably everything.
what other snakes? Milk snakes.
Yeah. This is a machine. This out of the way. I don't like these trees because they bend and they never move. Look, so much stuff. So many bugs. You gotta put bug spray on. Look at these mushrooms. They're so cool. Like, that one's like bright yellow.
Whoa, it's like gold.
Also at our grandma's house, we're moving boxes and stuff because she was moving, and there's these really cool little bright orange mushrooms all over the place. Really cool and neat.
Whoa. Sorry. Camera just cut out for a second. Anyways, yeah. We're just finding like these really neat mushrooms and stuff. Neon orange.
Really cool color too.
Yeah, orange is like my favorite.
All I hear is bugs in my ear.
Did you hear that? There's like a little bang 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 noise. That could have been the thing that was eating those mushrooms.
Oh yeah.
At the end of this video, we will find out who's been eating the mushrooms.
It's probably a deer. Actually, I don't know. Maybe like a bug or a deer.
God knows what it is.
Maybe this little thing. I don't even know what that. Oh, that's gross right there. That bug.
Yeah, they're kind of. There's so many bugs out right now.
I don't
There's
know.
so many mushrooms. Look at this.
I know, look at the- oh,
Another
wow.
thing has been eating it. What is that?
I don't know why. Oh, owl pellet. Look at this.
Oh wow.
Look at that little bone right there. It's a skull. I don't know what that is. That's sick.
Smells. It's fresh.
Yeah, it smells horrible. I don't know why, but this spot just looks like it's good for garter snakes.
Oh
I
yeah.
don't know, like, if you like, I don't know if you put it on a wide angle and back up or something, but it just looks, I don't know, it's just something about it looks good. Like, I can just see like 2 or 3 snakes just sitting right there, coiled up. Just perfect. There's like sticks right there, there's leaves, there's a perfect little spot for them. So maybe in the future we might catch one here. That'd be cool. Looks good.
You stub. Stubby.
What? I've been eating this.
Oh, we are gonna find out at the end.
Yeah.
We'll promise that.
It takes a century. Yes, even if it takes a century to find out. Does that have white dots in it, or is that just?
God, there's so many mosquitoes and stuff.
Also,
Woo.
right here, I can just see a garter snake basking right here. I don't know why.
Yeah, I know.
Long grass right here.
Well, it just got made, so hopefully this attracts snakes. See, look at this grass. That's like perfect.
Yeah, there's long grass. So many. Should I bring bug spray?
Yeah, probably. Ah, it's gone. Whoa, they're everywhere.
That's cool. Bunch of-
This will probably be another bike ramp, but maybe not. Could be our thing.
But that's a little frog. Maybe
Yeah.
like a brown wood frog or something. Or like a
Imagine if it was a frog the whole time. Little
This is also really
turds.
something fresh. Cool. What's this? Feathers?
So it's a bird eater and a mushroom eater.
This rock's cool.
Yeah. What's his name? Rocky?
Yeah, Rocky.
I don't know.
It's Rockstar. Rocky Rockstar.
Oh,
Rocky
Rockstar. It's about fun. Downhill.
See again, doesn't it look so good? So good.
It looks so good.
So good.
Yeah. Look at this. Oh, grasshopper. Ah! Oh, he's right there. See him? Wait, hold on. He's right there.
Oh, yes. Yeah.
Go get him. Go get him.
I don't know where he is. Maybe I got him?
Probably not. Yeah, you definitely not get him.
I hate those catchers when I reach into the leaves and then start looking for the thing, like a frog or like there's a little ring next to me. And then I pull it up and all I see is leaves and I have to dig through and then they follow my hand or something.
Yeah. This is pretty neat too.
Yeah.
Found some more mushrooms, but they're like very shiny. So it's a mushroom eater, and he also polishes mushrooms, and he eats birds. Do you have any guesses?
I don't know if that was a bird that got eaten though, but look at those mushrooms too.
You know what? It
White.
probably was.
Yeah.
White mushrooms. Which I'm not saying it's a good thing, but right here we're up on like a little mountain.
Oh, yeah.
It's weird that we got all the way up here, but this is so good for snakes. Whoa, it got so much cooler, didn't it? Like in temperature.
It's really hard to do it because look at that. Another shiny mushroom. It's so cool.
Whoa,
Those ones too are kind of shiny.
it's like right in the light. Whoa, did you hear that? Oh, look at that. Forgot about that. It continues all the way down there.
Oh yeah.
But yeah.
Where's that box? Hopefully it didn't go over it.
What?
Okay, hopefully that guy didn't go over the box. Also, hopefully the trail can go the box. More things.
Yeah.
So more vole holes.
A lot of vole holes.
Yeah. Or moles and mouses and rats. I don't know if there's rats around here. I think there are.
Yeah, you're one of them. I'm struggling. Oh yeah, see that?
Also, this is another fun little spot right here that I like to do a lot, and he does too.
Heel click. Here, watch this. Here.
Want to hold the camera?
Yeah, here. I'll give it to you.
Oh.
Yeah. Anyways,
When I landed my arm, my knee, that kind of hurt. I lost balance a little.
because you're not a professional heel clicker like moi. The camera drop. Again, I literally already cracked it. Fox is somewhere up there. I think it's somewhere over. Yeah, it's somewhere over there.
Over there.
Yeah.
Go and check it out real quick.
Kind of forget where it is.
Let's just go through the trail.
Oh, I think it's up here. Oh, yeah, it's up here more, I think.
More deer poop.
Deer poop, yeah.
And also, I think, we're gonna add more to it too, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna keep it full.
Whoa, heads up. That's like such a good spot for like a milk snake or something, but you forgot to bring your snake hook.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's broken.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, is that it?
Oh, yeah, here's the fox den.
Oh no, you put a stick over it. Hold on.
It's covered up a little bit. A lot bit.
Wait, no, that stick was there before, so I'm gonna leave it.
Wait, that's a different fox den.
That is a different one. So
Oh, I see. It's up here. Whoa, so that's
Oh,
one
yeah.
fox den.
wait, it connects.
This is a different one, though.
Wait, I just saw something go through that.
Me too, I saw it.
Frog?
Oh, yeah, I see him. He's right here. He's going into the fox den. Hold on, he's right in. Where'd he go?
What is it?
Shoot, it was like a little frog. Maybe that's not a fox den. Maybe that's the thing that was eating the mushrooms.
Oh.
There's another one. One,
Oh
two,
my God.
three. Oh, this is the one that we saw.
Oh yeah, this is the one that we saw. We didn't even know that. What the heck?
Whoa.
No, yeah, it's a fox then. Maybe the fox is the one that eats the mushrooms.
We'll find that out at the end.
We were gonna put a trail camera up probably on that tree right there that faces this fox den.
Or right there.
Oh yeah, that's true. That'll be really cool because then it just sniffs it out.
So we got 1, 2. Wait, 2. See?
Who
Right there.
goes first? So, is it Chase or
3.
Cliff? I don't know. I actually got wild blueberries.
Don't eat them though, because you went to the hospital last time with this little bug.
I ate one before.
See that?
Can I eat one?
Look at this. Caught him again.
What is it? Oh, you
I
just
accidentally just killed. Oh no, I didn't. He flew away.
Okay. Blueberry? I did eat one of these things before too.
Good?
Actually, yeah.
Don't recommend eating them though, unless you know exactly what you're eating. Because she had to go to the hospital one time. There's a choke berry and a choke cherry.
I just had a stomach ache, so it wasn't that bad, but
But you still have to go to the hospital.
I can't eat that. But I do know what wild blueberries look like
By the way, whoa!
because of this
Well,
guy
tie up.
goes to Lacusa, to show me berries and stuff. And we're going on a hike.
Sorry.
And they caught,
It's high.
and they caught water snakes. Oh yeah, this is where we put our stuff too. See?
Oh yeah.
We put other spray paint. So if anybody does walk on the trail, we don't see it, you can see in the hole. So nobody steals anything. So
Yeah, sure, neat little trail.
another mission.
Wow, it's been getting gobbled. Well, look at that though. That's like a bird beak.
Maybe it's a bird. Wow.
Bird fox? Fox bird?
Ooh, maybe. Oh. Maybe it's a.
Hold on. We have to find this out. This is getting spooky. Sorry. Couldn't resist.
And as you guys can see, we just lied right here. Kind of. I don't know why we keep this up here.
Yeah. Well, no, because we thought it was going to go that way, but then we were just like, there's already a slight opening here. Remember?
Oh yeah.
Good times.
We didn't want to cut through.
Good times. What?
We didn't want to cut through here because we kind of
Yeah.
wanted to do more.
Wow, we haven't been to this field. We actually haven't been here in like 3 weeks because we've been like, traveling like all over the place. Yeah, like sports and just going to like Sky's nature type. Nature things. Deer track,
Right
yeah.
in front of my foot right there.
There's probably a lot more.
Yeah.
So,
We also
kind of forgot about this little
I
section.
don't know if you
Honestly.
guys remember this in our first video, 14 animal challenge. Watch that.
It's great.
We oh yeah, that's about the end right here. But we did kind of like clear out the top of it here, so you can see.
It's not fully the end. It's not the end until you see it. I don't know. But anyways, get up here. Oh, flipping over rocks. Don't even see him. Yeah.
Flip back then. I don't know why I flipped that now. I just didn't move that.
That's the annoying thing, cutting down trees. I hate doing that, but it's for Sky's nature. It's for you guys. And it's also for biking.
But anyways, like I was saying about the 14 animal challenge video, face the camera towards me.
That's right.
So we left their stuff there too. But so we caught
I got bitten by a mosquito.
by our
Again.
tennis court. We caught ringneck snakes and stuff there, and we haven't been there in over like a month.
Like a month and a half, probably.
Yeah, so it's probably loaded with snakes there.
We'll do another video on that, though. Not this video, but trust me, there's a video. It's actually going to be up shortly after this. We're going to try to do one video per week. But if we don't, we'll, that's just on us.
Also, we want to try doing future video. I'm waving my arms around, so there's mosquitoes, but future video. We're gonna do a fishing challenge. We have a beach house, and we catch dogfish there, and porgy, and fluke, and striper rings and stuff. And eel. You caught an eel. Big eel. Conger eel.
So anyways, this brings us to the end of the trail. But trust me, that's not the end. Again, the end of the trail is not to the end until you find the end of the end trail. I don't know.
You can even see this is like a clear pathway that was filled in. Just have to break it up.
And then it goes off into the distance somewhere.
Oh. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Oh, ants. Nope. I'm out.
Ants. Boop. Oh. So, this brings us to the end of the video. Hope you had a
But
snarlocking good time.
we reached the end. Do you want to flip over 2 wooden boards like down there?
Yeah, I'll flip some boards.
Future video would be putting up our trail camera and showing you some videos if we caught anything cool. So that'll be another future video. And also I just noticed this. Tony Woodpecker.
Anyways, back to the time lapse.
We finally reached the end of the trail. It was all down there and everywhere.
Big trail.
And we're gonna make more on it. I'm just gonna flip some boards because we gotta have some animals in it. Alright, so first little board. Actually, I found a toad underneath it.
Nothing.
Nothing at all. It's really moist and nice though. It's good. It's a little snail. It's a little shell right there. You probably can't really see it that well, but it's so small. We have another board. I want to put more boards down because I want to catch my snake. There's so many blueberries. There's really a lot of blueberries. It's good.
Hopefully these little Asian cucumbers will grow too soon.
Oh,
Which
yeah.
I'll put a picture of that up. Whoa. Put a picture of that up right there. Right here. Pretty neat. It's not neat.
Yeah. These are cool. Nothing. Look at that cockroach. Also, I do want to do another video of... Actually, we didn't do a video of it yet. Going down to a pond, which is literally right in there, like down there.
Literally though.
And there's so... Every time we go, there's always a water snake. And I don't know if we still have that...
Well, we did make that shorts, right?
Oh yeah, look at that first. I don't know if it's uploaded or not. But we're going to probably upload it. It's...
No, it's uploaded.
Oh, it is? Okay. So that's uploaded, and I just didn't watch it yet. But so I'm not gonna spoil it because I want it to be a surprise for you guys. But just look on Scully's Nature, and there's a bug on your camera. But yeah. So see you on the next video, and stay tuned for more surprises.
But keep exploring.
And stay wild.